Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm setting up my bullet journal for the month of September. As you may know, September is the back-to-school season and I really am not feeling it. I know I say this in every video, but I really want to do something fun to start off school, so I chose this universe, galaxy / UFO theme for the month of September. I am using this very pretty violet color for my cover page, then I'm adding silver highlights on the edges of everything. I wasn't sure at first how I felt about the silver highlights on the words, but I think I quite like it. Moving on to the monthly overview page, so I use this layout the most because it is quick to draw and easy to use. Just label all the dates and mark the Mondays of this month and you're done. Here I'm drawing a wiggly cloud-like shape in a periwinkle color, filling it in and decorating it with random stars and planets. As for my weekly spread, I decided to try something new, which you will see very soon. But as for the moment, we're decorating the page with more stars and planets. So for this weekly spread, I am just dividing the space into whatever sections I need around the bunch of planets I just drew. I think this page turned out so stinking cute, definitely trying this layout again. And in case you didn't notice, the color also matches my nails. How cute is that? For my next weekly spread, I decided to do something basic, but let's first start off by decorating the extra space with more wiggly clouds and stars and planets and all that jazz. I know it isn't shown very clearly, but I am using a metallic pen to fill in the clouds with galaxies and stars. I know I haven't been doing an expense and habit tracker for months, but I just wasn't using them as much as I would like to, so it is easier for me this way. I think it is easy for me to say that this is my favorite setup that I have ever done. I have always loved the galaxies, the stars, and the color purple has always been a favorite color of mine. I mean, I love all colors, not gonna lie, but this combination is just so pretty. I was so inspired by the galaxy theme and had so much fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
One family, and so we